Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Zirish Chutney. Zirish means dried black currant in Kashmiri. Zirish Chutney is a melange of flavors, sweet, sour and spicy in one bite. It's most intensely colored and flavorful. It's bursting with dramatic flavors and glossy appearance. This versatile chutney tastes amazing with the leveled sweet and sour taste. So let's get started. For making this Zirish chutney, I have taken around 100 grams of black currant, dried black currant, a small bunch of tamarind, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and a pinch of black pepper powder, or you can use ginger powder also. And I have washed tamarind and black currant for around 20 minutes. Then blended to a smooth paste. For tamarind, I removed seeds and blended and strained it. You can take tamarind water also, but pulp tastes best. Now in black currant paste, I added 4 teaspoons of tamarind paste, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of black pepper powder and salt. Mix properly till you get a smooth consistency like this, and it's ready to serve. It's a fantastic chutney served on a platter of chutneys in Kashmiri feast Wazwan. This irresistible isn't just glorious in appearance but in taste too. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon for notifications and keep watching this space for more recipes. Have a nice day.